Hi guys, in this video I will explain how to allocate asset to an employee. There can be different assets which can be assigned to an employee, namely laptop, charger, mouse, uniform, shoes, cap, ID card, etc. For asset allocation, two things are mandatory. First, the asset that you want to allocate to an employee should exist in your system. If it is not there in the system, then you should create that particular asset in your system. Second, you should allocate a warehouse to that particular asset, and also there should be enough stock for asset allocation. We have separate video which you can refer to create asset and also to allocate warehouse to an asset. To allocate asset, click on HR admin module and then click on human resource option, and after that click on employee asset allocation option. Once you click on employee asset allocation option, then a page appears where you can assign multiple assets to an employee. In this video, I will allocate laptop, mouse, charger and uniform to an employee. Before allocation, I will show the stock of the asset, and after allocation, again I will show the stock of the asset so that you will get a clear idea about how the stock update based on the allocation. As you can see on the screen, the stock of mouse, laptop, charger and uniform in Borivali Asset Warehouse is reflecting on the screen. I have taken this reading on an Excel sheet for your reference. Now let's do the allocation. First I will select the employee to whom the asset will be allocated. As soon as you select the employee's branch will reflect in branch field. Now you will search an asset either by entering its name or code in the respective field. In this video, I will use product name filter. As per your convenience, you can use any of the filter to search an asset. So first I will select uniform. After selecting an asset, I will click on add button so that the particular asset will reflect in the below table. As you can see in below table, few columns have a hash mark. It means that the particular column is editable. In quantity column, you will enter the quantity that you want to consider for allocation. In from date and to date, you will enter the validity of an asset. Suppose after every 1 year, I am allocating new uniform to an employee. So here the validity of an uniform is 1 year. As you can see on the screen, in from date I have entered 1st Jan 2020 and in to date I have entered 31st December 2020. It means this uniform will be valid only for 1 year, which means after 1 year I will allocate new uniform to Shiv Kumar. Similarly, you will select the other asset as well. After entering all the detail, you will click on save button to save this detail. Once you save the details, now it's time to issue those assets to the employee. To do this, you will click on issue button present on the top of the screen. Once you click on issue button, a screen will pop up where the list of assets that you have selected for the allocation will display. On this screen, you will select the warehouse from where this asset will be taken for allocation. To do this, you will click on select warehouse button present on the right side of the screen. Once you click on select warehouse button, a screen will pop up where you will select the warehouse, storage location and storage bin for asset allocation. After selecting warehouse detail, you will click on select button present on the screen to save this detail. Similarly, you will select the warehouse for other asset as well. After entering warehouse detail for each and every asset, you will click on OK button to issue the asset to an employee. As soon as you click on OK button, the system will display a message saying that stock updated successfully. It means the asset allocation has been done successfully, and based on the allocation, the stock of each and every asset has been updated in the warehouse. As you can see on the screen, the list of assets that has been allocated to an employee is reflecting in Employee Asset History section. And the status of each and every asset is marked as issue. As we have successfully allocated asset to an employee, now it's time to check the stock of the asset. As you can see on the screen, the stock of mouse, laptop, charger and uniform in Borivali Asset Warehouse is reflecting on the screen. As you can see, based on the allocation, the stock of each and every asset has been updated in the system. As you can see, the stock of each and every asset has been deducted by 1 based on the allocation. Similarly, you can allocate multiple assets to different employees on the same page. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any query, please contact support team of Viva Software Solution.